to the frosty pop.
Eddie, go from the other
Where did he
side.
go?
You can do it
I
from the
didn't see
front.
him. Did it happen? Do you want to go in the car? With the leash? I don't think so. Do you want to go in the laundry room? Did you see Roma? Did she come? Did she clean? Should we go?
Go in the front. She'll do it.
Should we do it?
Watching.
You should see her. She stares at me. Lucy! Lucy!
I'm going to distract the dog. That's why I was
Lucy.
over there.
Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Where's Libby? Let's go to the laundry room. Frosty Paw? I don't think so. Where's Jody? Did you see her? No, I didn't mean really look for her. Lucy, should we go? Did you see the bear? Did you get it? Should we go? Do you want to go for a walk? How about you go for a leash in the laundry room with a Frosty Paw? I don't see it. I'm getting tired of talking to you like this. Perhaps I see you're getting tired too.
You didn't take the picture yet. This is video.
Did you see it?
Video.
Where did it go? Lucy! Did you get it?
Do it again.
Lucy!
Get her to do it again.
Lucy! Where's Libby? Did you see Chloe?
Stacey, make your wrist walk again.
Where did we go? Do you want it? Do you want to go? Should we go there? In the laundry room? Open your eyes. You're falling asleep. She's falling asleep.
Hypnotizing
Look at her. She's falling asleep.
You're hypnotizing your dog.
Maybe that's a good
Her eyes are closing. Did you go in the laundry room? Did you get a Frosty Paw?
She's too tired.
Did you
to do
see?
it anymore.
Her eyes are closing.
Look at that.
Did you see the leash? Did you go outside? Did you see the bear?
She's into nap time now.
Did you see the Frosty? Did you eat the Frosty Paw? I think you ate the Frosty Paw. Should we go get Chloe and Libby? Let's go get the leash for the walk. Should we go in the laundry room? Do you want your cage? Should we go to bed?
I think
I don't think so.
Let me
Are you
alone
awake?
already. It's enough.
All done?
Good girl.
Good girl. All done.
Her legs don't work.
She's like, what happens now?
No reinforcer.
Oh, that was a
Isn't
waste.
that funny? One day I was talking on the phone and the dog was
She's
staring at me.
thinking, I've
She's
been
going like
had.
this. And I'm like, what are you doing?
That dog was had just now.
Can I see